Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover your Yahoo account's password in case you have forgotten it. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, in order to recover your Yahoo account's forgotten password, firstly open your Yahoo application and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on the setting option and scroll all the way down. Tap on Privacy Dashboard. It will take you to the sign-in page of Yahoo. Enter your username, email, or phone number and click on Next. Click on Forgotten Password. Enter your email address as well as your product, whether it's account, mail, search, or sports, and tick mark on I am not a robot and tap on Get Started. To recover your account, enter your email or phone number and press on Continue. Enter your name for identify verification and tap on Next. It will send you a verification code to a number if it's linked with your account. Tap on Yes, send me a code and enter the verification code sent to your number. Click on Verify. Next time, you can sign in with your face, fingerprint or PIN. Enable one of the options. This is how you can recover or reset your Yahoo account's forgotten password. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.